Hello everyone, welcome to English with Dhigamber channel and I am Dhigamber Shaw. I live in Kolkata. I am 31 years old and have recorded this first lecture to improve the English speaking with all of you. Today we will learn English in a simple manner that everyone can easily speak English in their daily life. So everyone can speak English, but they hesitate to speak in front of others. So I will help you out in a very simple manner that you can also speak English with. Today we will learn the simple English that you will be used in your daily life. So the first word is good morning from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the afternoon. After that, we can use good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening. After that, we can use good evening from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. And after that, from 8 p.m., we can use good night. First is good morning, second is good afternoon, third is good evening, and the last is good night. So you can also learn English in a very simple manner. If anyone asks, how are you? Then you will say, I am fine and I am good. Thank you all of you. Please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.